Have you ever wondered about the pivotal role a guidance counselor plays in students' lives, both during their academic journey and beyond? These professionals provide essential academic advice that empowers students not only in their coursework, but also in navigating a myriad of professional possibilities. Beyond academics and careers, they extend their support to foster students' socio-emotional well-being, contributing to their holistic development. Join us as we embark on a journey through the dynamic landscape of Indian education, exploring what it truly means to be a guidance counselor in students' lives. Curious about the qualifications needed to become a guidance counselor? Let's delve into that. It all begins with completing your 10+2 and subsequently an undergraduate degree. But that's just the beginning. A 3-year bachelor's degree in sociology becomes crucial next. However, the journey doesn't stop there. Following this, a 2-year master's degree in sociology becomes the cornerstone of your path. Remember, these courses equip you with the necessary understanding and techniques to effectively guide students within the Indian education system. But bear in mind, the journey doesn't conclude with a degree. Choosing the right college can be as crucial as the course itself. It can significantly influence the direction of your future career. The process of making this decision is not something to be taken lightly. Admission procedures in India are not uniform and can vary greatly from one college to another. There are universities that offer merit-based admissions, some conduct entrance exams, while others may allow direct admission. If you dream of becoming a guidance counselor, you may want to consider top Indian colleges such as the University of Delhi, Loyola College, Miranda House, College for Women in Delhi, and Sri Venkateswara College. Your college and course choice today will be the stepping stone for your professional path in India. Therefore, making the right decision is of paramount importance as it can shape your future career in the country. Wondering where you can apply your guidance counselor skills in India after graduation? There are several places where your skills can be utilized effectively. Indian hospitals, known for their dedication to patient welfare, often require guidance counselors to assist patients overcome personal and academic obstacles. Detoxification centers, both inpatient and outpatient, along with mental health facilities, also present significant opportunities for meaningful contributions. Your expertise as a guidance counselor is equally sought in residential care facilities, schools, and colleges, where you can have a pivotal role in helping students to reach their full potential. As a guidance counselor in these diverse Indian settings, you have the opportunity to create a deep positive impact, genuinely changing the lives of those you mentor. Ready to embark on your journey to become a guidance counselor in student life and beyond in India? This role provides you the chance to make a profound impact by mentoring students both academically and emotionally. In order to excel on this path, it's crucial to earn a bachelor's and master's degree in sociology, which will equip you with the necessary skills to provide all-inclusive counseling. Your work environment can be as diverse as schools and colleges to health facilities, offering a wide-ranged work experience. Remember, as a guidance counselor, you hold the responsibility of shaping the future beyond student life, standing in a position of immense power with great potential for impact.